What if I told you that a particle can exist in two places at once? Or that two particles, separated by vast distances, can be mysteriously connected, instantly influencing each other? Welcome to the mind-bending world of quantum physics, the most bizarre and fascinating branch of science that defies our everyday understanding of reality. Stick around as we unravel the mysteries of quantum entanglement, superposition, and more, all simplified for curious minds like yours. Quantum physics is the science of the very small, particles smaller than atoms, where the rules of classical physics no longer apply. At this scale, particles behave in ways that seem impossible or magical. Think of quantum physics as the foundation of the universe, where probability rules, and nothing is ever certain until it's observed. Unlike classical physics, which deals with the predictable, quantum physics is all about uncertainty and possibilities. But don't worry, we're here to make these strange concepts easier to understand. Imagine flipping a coin. In classical physics, it's either heads or tails. But in the quantum world, a particle can be in a superposition, meaning it exists in all possible states simultaneously, both heads and tails at the same time. This bizarre phenomenon is best illustrated by Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment where a cat in a box is both alive and dead until you open the box and observe it. In reality, this principle applies to particles like electrons, which can exist in multiple places at once until measured. Superposition is not just a theoretical idea, it's been experimentally observed and forms the basis for revolutionary technologies like quantum computing, where bits can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously, vastly increasing computing power. Quantum entanglement is perhaps the most mysterious and intriguing aspect of quantum physics. When two particles become entangled, they remain connected, no matter how far apart they are, even across galaxies. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance, because changing the state of one particle instantly affects the other, faster than the speed of light. But how is this possible? The truth is, even scientists don't fully understand why entanglement happens, but we do know it works, and it's been proven through countless experiments. Entanglement is not just a curiosity, it's the cornerstone of emerging technologies like quantum cryptography, which promises ultra-secure communication by leveraging the unbreakable link between entangled particles. One of the most famous experiments in quantum physics is the double-slit experiment, which reveals the wave-particle duality of particles like electrons. When electrons are shot through two slits, they create an interference pattern on a screen, suggesting they act like waves. But here's the twist. If you observe the electrons as they pass through the slits, they behave like particles, not waves. This experiment demonstrates that the mere act of observation affects the outcome, a concept that challenges our understanding of reality itself. The double-slit experiment is a clear example of how quantum physics defies our classical intuition, showing that particles can exhibit both wave-like and particle-like properties depending on whether or not they're being observed. You might be wondering, why should I care about quantum physics? Well, quantum physics is not just a subject for scientists, it impacts your everyday life in ways you might not realize. For example, the technology behind your smartphone, GPS, and MRI machines relies on principles of quantum physics. Even the way we understand chemical reactions and the behavior of materials is rooted in quantum mechanics. Looking to the future, quantum physics is paving the way for breakthroughs in computing, cryptography, and even teleportation. As we continue to explore this field, we might unlock new technologies that will revolutionize how we live, work, and understand the universe. Quantum physics is still a young and rapidly evolving field, with many mysteries left to solve. Researchers are now exploring quantum gravity, trying to merge quantum mechanics with general relativity to form a theory of everything. Quantum computers are getting closer to solving problems that are currently impossible for classical computers to tackle. And who knows, maybe one day we'll fully understand the quantum world and harness its power in ways we can't even imagine today. As you've seen, the potential is limitless, and the journey has just begun. Quantum physics might be weird, but it's also wonderfully fascinating, challenging our deepest assumptions about reality. From superposition and entanglement to wave-particle duality, quantum physics reveals a universe full of possibilities, where the impossible becomes possible. So next time you look at the world, remember, there's much more beneath the surface, hidden in the quantum realm. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and let the mysteries of the quantum universe inspire you.